The FDA is taking bold new action against the peanut plant tied to a nationwide salmonella outbreak. CNN's Tori Dunnan is working the story for us. She's here in the Situation Room with details. What have you learned, Tori?
Well, Wolf, this plant was actually set to reopen at some point this week, but the FDA stepped in and did something it hasn't done before.
Dozens of people sick in 20 states. Peanut butter manufactured at this plant in New Mexico and sold at grocery stores nationwide was linked by health officials to an outbreak of Salmonella in September. Now the FDA is shutting down Sunland Inc. The government's new power to halt food production was granted in 2011 as part of the Food Safety Modernization Act, but this marks the first time it's been put into action.
So what does this mean for you, the consumer, who comes to a grocery store looking for a particular item? Does the FDA action mean the food you choose will be safer?
Producers and consumers should see this action as a signal that FDA is really prioritizing food safety.
Sarah Klein, an attorney and food safety advocate, says the government is taking a more assertive stance.
The new food law allows FDA to be more preventive rather than reactive, so they're allowed to shut down plants that they believe are producing unsafe food even before there's an outbreak.
Sunland had voluntarily stopped selling the peanut butter and issued a recall, saying at no time did the company distribute products that it knew to be potentially contaminated with harmful microorganisms.
We have taken all of the proposed, necessary, and recommended steps to make certain that we are in complete control of our environment and anything that's coming in and out of the plant.
The company says it's disappointed by the FDA's decision to stop production. It had plans to reopen this week and start selling again by the end of the year.
Everybody's been so concerned and hoping, we can get the problem solved and get back to going. That's so important to the area. It's a major industry for eastern New Mexico.
The FDA issued a statement about the suspension of Sunland. It says, quote, consumers can be assured that products from this facility will stay off the market until FDA determines that the company has implemented procedures necessary to produce safe products. And Wolf, we of course mentioned that this is the first time the FDA has completely shut down operations, and that law makes all of this possible.
First time ever. Thanks very much, Tori. Good report.
Thanks.
Tori Dunnan reporting for us. And